The Registrar General of India has released two major reports after 5 years revealing that over 1 crore people died in 2021, the second year of the COVID-19 lockdown. That is around 21 lakh more deaths than in 2020. The sharp increase in overall death stands in stark contrast to the official COVID-19 death toll. As of May 5, 2025, the Union Health Ministry's dashboard lists only 5,33,665 pandemic-related deaths. The report titled Vital Statistics of India, based on the civil registration system for 2021, shows a 26% increase in registered deaths, from 81.2 lakh in 2020 to 102.2 lakh in 2021. For context, 75.9 lakh deaths were recorded in 2019. Another report, Medical Certification of Cause of Death 2021, also by the RGI, found that COVID-related deaths rose from 1,60,618 in 2020 to 4,13,580 in 2021. This includes 2,67,363 male, 1,46,215 female, and 2 transgender deaths. Out of the total 1.02 crore deaths in 2021, only 23.95 lakh were medically certified, an increase of 5.83 lakh from the previous year. Across 2020 and 2021, a combined 5,74,198 COVID deaths were reported. Yet, the Health Ministry dashboard still lists a lower total of 5,33,665. The report also shows that circulatory system diseases, including pulmonary conditions, were the top cause of medically certified deaths at 29.8%. COVID-19 followed at 17.3%, then respiratory diseases at 12.7%, and infectious or parasitic diseases at 6.1%. COVID-19 moved up to the second leading cause of death in 2021, up from third in 2020. Many states and union territories, including Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Punjab, Telangana, Jharkhand, and Delhi contributed significantly to the rise in registered deaths. Meanwhile, registered births declined slightly by 0.1% from 242.2 lakh in 2020 to 242.0 lakh in 2021.